This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. As you come close to the end of this month for April 2020, we can take a look at some of the stocks that are breaking out as a follow-up to a video I did on some of the major large cap tech stocks. And we can see here if we can add another example of a breakout that is taking place in the name of PayPal. We can see on the monthly here a nice price breakup above the prior monthly closing high. Let's call it just slightly under 115. So as far as price is breaking out, this looks good. The issue here is we don't have the minimum requirements that we need to see as far as the RSI and MACDs are concerned. And we can see here that the MACDs are not where they need to be. So in terms of the quality of the breakout, this is not meeting the minimum requirements of the ultimate Muathe breakout. So this is an issue going into a new month. Chances are this is signaling, in my opinion, that more than likely there is a major reversal lower that is going to be the next major trend. Just based on the fact that the quality of this breakout is not that good. The same thing can be said about Amazon. Again, I talked about this, I believe, last week, where we are seeing a nice price breakout. So the breakout as far as price on a monthly basis looks perfect. RSI actually looks good. It's now moved above 69.1 on the monthly. So that looks good also. The issue here is the MACDs are not where they need to be. And to me, this is a red flag as far as the long-term picture is concerned. Month to month, chances of a major reversal lower are very high. The other stock that had a similar look was Netflix. We can see right now from a monthly perspective, the breakout still is intact and looks good. But as we can see here, the RSI and MACDs, even with that price breakout, RSI and MACDs are not where they need to be based on the ultimate Muathe breakout. And because of that, chances are the next major trend here is also pointing to a possibility of a major drop. This is what happens when you break out without the minimum requirements. Now, unlike the other three discussed here, we can see Nvidia has a good breakout relative to the others discussed in this video, because we can see here price is moving above the prior monthly closing highs. We can say this is some form of a cup and handle. So we could have used this weekly closing, monthly closing high there. That would still be legit as a breakout entry level. RSI looks good because it is trading above 69.1, but be on the lookout for a rejection as we go into a new month. In other words, if we see that it calls down back below 69.1 with uniform action, that's going to be a sell signal, given the other major charts don't look good, or major large cap tech stocks don't look good. The RSI is good. MACD here looks decent. In fact, let's say it meets the minimum requirement. So out of the ones discussed here, only Nvidia meets the minimum requirement, and that is why it was on my breakout list candidate for paid Muathe.com subscribers. Now, if major large cap tech stocks are not breaking out with quality, what that say about where the general market is going to go in the coming weeks and months? Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings.